Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling IRIE as we have another jam-packed pick a card reading for you today. Yes, darling. Yes, honeys. In today's reading, we are exploring their exact thoughts and feelings. We're doing a blunt AF, okay? Their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. So get your tea, get your water, get your beverage of choice, because we are going to get into it. Ooh la la, sip, sip. Water and tea, tea sippers, water and tea. Tea-sippers, tea. Welcome, tea-sippers, yeah. So we have pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. Pick a pile that's calling you. Pick a pile that is calling you. Okay, but we are also very flexible here. So if you feel drawn to more than one pile or the whole piles altogether, okay, feel free to do so. Okay, we're exploring their exact thoughts and feelings. Okay, a blunt AF. Okay, for you right now. So get nice and comfy. Okay, I hope you've got a nice cup of juice, cup of water, or a nice cup of tea. Okay, and much love and blessings from your Auntie T. Okay, so big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. So before we begin a read, we'd like to start with bringing some good gratitude energy into the reads, okay? But if you are new here, okay, big up, big up, big up to yourselves, to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up to all of the intuitive tea sipper generals, okay? Big up every time. And Wagwan simply means what is going on in Jamaican patois. And this is what we are exploring today. What is going on with the exact thoughts and feelings for you right now? So we're going to get bringing that good gratitude energy. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive in their blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment, as we're all about empowering our intuitive tea sippers. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, we have pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. Go to the one that's intuitively calling you right now. And if you feel like you're drawn to another one, feel free to do so. But we will see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 1 and we're exploring blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. So if you are new here, big up, hey, big up. Hey, big up yourselves, and to our intuitive tea sipper generals, our subscribers, big up, hey, big up, hey, big up yourselves every time. Much love and blessings from your auntie, your Jamaican, your favorite Jamaican auntie, or Jamaican British, okay, whatever you want to call it, okay, Auntie T. So big up, big up every time. Big up, okay? So, Wagwan simply means what is going on in Jamaican patois, and that's what we are doing today. We're exploring these juicy, intuitive gems that want to come through. We use the Jamaican proverbs to give us that little pocket of wisdom, okay, just to help, give us some, we salt bay the read, okay, with some gems, intuitive gems, okay. Now get nice and comfy and put it in the comments down below, okay, where you are watching, which part of the world you are watching from, you know, the read, and what tea or beverage of your choice you are snacking on. Love to engage with you all. So big up, big up, big up every time. Okay, big up. Right, let's get into this read and see Wagwan. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. All right, let's bring in that energy. Connect. Okay, pile one. Ooh, now also a way that I connect with those intuitive downloads, you may hear from time to time, oi, 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 oi. Okay, this is just a way of how I bring in music. Okay, we're all about power words and wisdom here. Okay, but also woi oi or whoa. Okay, are kind of like Jamaican sayings. It's almost like it's equivalent to oh my gosh, OMG. And this is how I connect with it, but in a little kind of singy way. Okay, so from time to time you may hear that sound. Okay, but messages come through in many ways, channeled messages, numbers. Okay, so we just, you know, we just run with it. Okay, all right. So we have for pile one this energy that there's something to do with differences, something to do with differences. But before we get into their exact thoughts and feelings deck, okay, and these ones like a blunt AF style, we're gonna look into what the tarot has to say. What does the tarot want to tell us right now? So we have the Ten of Swords, the Ten of Swords. Someone is feeling some type of way that you two, you two are not in, maybe perhaps there could be some limited contact right now. Perhaps this could be someone from the past who, or someone in separation. Someone could be feeling like they want more from you. Okay, the Ten of Swords can represent this energy of like, it's like, think of like a when it comes to the thoughts, okay, it's like the energy of the air signs energy. Okay, so think of air signs energy like Gemini, Aquarius, and Libra. But it also represents like a completion, but it can also represent a beginning. So perhaps there has been in the past this energy of stagnancy, and this person is hoping that this energy can be shifted. Okay, this completion of this energy of that feels like it's completed can then come back and start again. Again, it's fallen on pile one. So this energy, it feels like what we can see here, there's something to do with maybe differences could be the particular issue here. Okay, but the Ten of Swords is kind of telling us that this is like a completion. Perhaps it may have also felt like exhaustion. That's what's kind of coming through, like this feeling of being completely like I've tried all avenues. Maybe this person has tried to contact you, or they have tried to find ways of how to reconcile, okay, but may have not been successful. Or perhaps this could be vice versa, but it feels very much like this person wants to make contact. They want to talk to you, okay, despite it being in this position where it feels like it's completed. But then again, after the 10 can also represent a new beginning. So we're going to see what is what unfolds next in this read, okay? Because look what we have the Three of Cups. Now the Three of Cups next to this Ten of the Ten of Swords, although I wanted to say Ten of Pentacles. Perhaps this could have had something to do with family life. Perhaps there could have been some kind of infidelity, some kind of cheating, or with the Three of Cups being in that position, perhaps it could also be that what's coming through the song, I think it's Bill Withers, There's No Sunshine There's no sunshine when she's gone. Ooh, that's what's coming through. So it feels like someone is like feeling like, yeah, look at, if you see the dark skies, that they don't see the sun anymore, and they're wondering, can this be? But we have the Page of Wands. The Page of Wands is telling us that there is some messages of passion, of desire, wanting something to start anew. Especially with that Page of Wands energy. The pages represents the kind of the embodiment of the youngest flowing of this energy of the wands. The wands that represents that energy of like fire, passion. So think of the Leo, think of the Sagittarius, think of the Aries energy, okay? Wanting movement, wanting to take this creative, passionate fire energy that they have, okay? Perhaps they could be operating in that energy even if they are not a fire sign, because so far we've seen a swords energy, which represents the air signs, water energy with the Three of Cups, which represents the water signs. So think of Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, and we have the Page of Wands, which represents the energy of like the Leo, the Sagittarius, and the Aries. And we have the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune. So the Wheel of Fortune being here, okay, and this could represent any sign. So this person could be any sign. Could be telling us that this person wants things to shift. They want this energy to shift. They want a new beginning. They want a new start. Think of like a wheel going round, and this person is hoping that it can, like the needle can then fall on, or the arrow can fall on reconciliation, new beginnings, new starts. Perhaps this could be also what's coming through. This could also be someone who's new, may have gone through some things in their past, and whether it's a crush or a current love interest, okay, or someone from the recent past, someone wanting to come forward and start anew, okay? Because look what we have here. We have the Hierophant. The Hierophant being here represents the embodiment of institution. Now, as we are exploring specifically love reading, okay, love reading, the institution of love is marriage, long-term commitment. So this person could be in taking this time to want to work on themselves, focus on themselves. It could be even taking the time to learn what it takes to be in a successful long-term relationship, learn from those around them, learn from their elders, take time to go and seek specific information or guidance. Perhaps some could be even listening to readings. To readings can provide that input, and as well as that healing input. This person could be looking for those answers. Perhaps this person could also be looking to work on themselves, so spiritually, emotionally, physically, seeking guidance from those who are more knowledgeable, more skilled, but also has the proof in the pudding. They have that evidence that they've taken that time to work on themselves and can show those results. And it feels like this person's wanting you. It feels like this person could be, we're going to call you Jane and call this person John. Okay, John is wanting to show you. It feels almost like it's saying, don't just watch what I say, Jane, but watch what I do. Okay, yes, there might be some challenges along the way, but I'm taking that time to iron those out so that I can be the best for myself, but also the best for you. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Look how much we got from the tarot. So it's very much like this energy of wanting to start anew, wanting to relearn, wanting to re-educate themselves on what love looks like, being emotionally available, being open and ready and steady to love. This is what is really coming through, collective, okay? Now, it does feel like there has been some things here with the Three of Cups in the reverse. The Three of Cups represents the energy of like coming together, celebrating together. Okay, joy. Okay, now what's come through is babies. Now, maybe this might have something to do with a baby or a child. Okay, if you do care to share, put it in the comments down below. But it does feel very much like someone wants to, especially with that page of wands in the middle, someone wants to express their feelings. They want to share and say how they feel. Now, with this with the Ten of Swords, the Three of Cups, and also the mentioning of the Ten of Pentacles earlier, which the Ten of Pentacles represents like that earthy energy of the family life, being grounded in that family life. Perhaps there could have been some interference, some third party situation, with the Three of Cups also being present here in regards to this connection. Perhaps this person not trusting themselves, listening to others, okay, not really trusting their own natural compass, which is their intuition, really trusting their intuition to let them guide. And now we see that with the Wheel of Fortune in this position, there is a new opportunity here. There is a new door that's opening to say, well, look, this can happen if you are willing to put in that work, if you're willing to relearn, re-educate yourself, and reevaluate what love looks like to you. Let go of the past and start a new beginning. So let's have a look at the Jamaican proverbs before we look at their exact thoughts and feelings. Let's see what wants to come through for pile one. So the exact thought, oh, something's trying to come through. We'll just take that one. The cow does not know the use of its tail until it is cut off. The cow does not know the use of its tail until it is cut off. Now, this is telling us that this person, okay, in the Jamaican style, the cow don't know the use of its tail until it cut off, okay? The cow does not know the use of its tail until it is cut off. Now, this is all about the energy of taking things for granted. Taking things for granted. Again, that song that came through, there's no sunshine when she is gone. Okay? Pay attention, okay, to the lyrics in that song. Okay? But it feels very much like there's an energy of remorse. There's an energy of loss here with the Ten of Swords, feeling like, can this happen? Can we repair this? Can we work together? Again, we have a clue with this card here. Our differences are wild. I hope we can get through them. So someone is really hoping that you can get through this situation, okay? Now, it does feel like it's someone who wants to reconcile, okay? If it's someone from the past or someone in separation. Oop, we had a little shaky. Oop. Okay, yes, we had a little shaky. Now, while we had that little shaky, what was coming through was also like someone feeling like trying to find the right words, feeling wobbly, feeling a bit anxious, feeling like, do I have what it takes to build that courage? And this is why it feels like maybe this could be someone that is younger or slightly younger, or they may operate in a slightly immature ways when it comes to their feelings. It feels also very much like what this person might be very good in certain other areas of their life, but when it comes to talking about the matters of the heart, this is where it's like, oh, I need to go and learn. I need to go take that time to go and educate myself and understand. It feels like what's coming through is like, I need to understand my woman. That's what's coming through. I need to understand my woman, but I need to take that time to learn. I need to understand my partner. I need to understand my person. But also by understanding, it's like first, it's like for me to understand my person, I first have to understand myself, connect with myself, and recognize what's important. Looking at what I have and being thankful for the little things. Because if I'm not thankful for the little things, how can I surely be thankful for the big things. That's what's really coming through. And it's also because it's relating to the Jamaican proverb of don't take things for granted. Appreciate what you have. And it does feel like what's coming through again is perhaps this person may have not always prioritized you, may have put things in front of you, or made excuses, or always thinking that you're going to just be around. Making, perhaps you felt this way. It's like, and again, what's coming through is like an energy of exhaustion, mental exhaustion. Okay, trying overthinking, or always trying to compensate, always trying to be easygoing. And it feels like it was like this is it feels like there's like an energy of like I'm tired. But it's almost, it feels like now that this energy of tiredness, it's like this person has now, it's like someone's had to take a seat back, sit back and go, wow, I was doing this, I'm responsible for this, oh my gosh. And perhaps it may have, perhaps it feels like it could also be someone like couple of relationships ago, where they're looking back and going, oh my gosh, I may have missed this chance with you. If I had just acted differently, if I had moved differently. Okay, there's a strong energy of like looking, reflecting, not wanting to take things for granted. Now we have Hopopono on the card. Hopopono is a Hawaiian prayer, and it's simply, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you. And the idea is repeated several times to bring in gratitude energy. And this is what it feels like. This person is sitting back, looking, and being like trying to manifest through gratitude, being thankful. It feels like this person might be even going through a period of mindfulness, taking time to reconnect with their inner child. Again, reconnect with what's important. As we have the Page of Wands, which does represents the energy of passion as well, that deep passion, that deep need to be innovative, to think different, to think outside the box, to be creative. Okay, and it does feel like this person wants to come towards you in a more reformed, more refined way. Okay, so let's have a look now at their exact thoughts and feelings. We have, our differences are wild. I hope we can get through them. I hope we can get through them. Look at this. Ay, 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 ay. We do have this energy of child. So perhaps for some of you, there might be a child involved in this situation, or children. How do you feel about this? Perhaps this person is wanting to know, how do you feel, or vice versa. You know, how will this impact on the connection? And again, always, you know, when children are involved, it's always, you know, making sure you're doing the best for your child's needs. Okay. We have, I'm healing from my past. I've realized I was blocking myself. Look at this. We see this energy of blocking. I'm healing from my past, and I've realized I was blocking myself from getting to know you and letting this connection grow. Letting this connection grow. I want our interactions to be authentic. Ooh. Whoop. This is the advice deck. So we'll leave that for later. But we've seen it now, so we might as well do it. I want our interactions to be authentic, where we can be ourselves. Okay? I'm visualizing being with you despite the distance. Now, you see that there was this energy of manifesting, wanting to manifest, wanting to bring you into their world. Okay? So, again, if there's a distance, it does feel very much like they're trying to find ways, through maybe telepathy, trying to like think about you. Again, it's why we see this energy of overthinking, maybe trying to find ways of how they can make contact, or try to visualize like receiving contact and laughing and just feeling good. Okay, look at this. We have music. This is why the strong energy of music, okay? No sunshine when she's gone. It's really coming through because this is what's coming through. This person, I use music to remind me of you. Perhaps there could be a favorite song. There could be a song that reminds you of this person, okay? But through song, this person really channels a lot of energy when it comes to you. Seeing others all booed up makes me anxious. Look at that word, anxious, coming through. Anxious about making the wrong move with you. I have a little growing up to do. Now, this is what we're saying. We see this kind of younger energy, anxious energy, and overthinking energy. Perhaps it's almost like an overthinking energy, trying to constantly think about their moves. We did have that wobbly energy that came through with the camera, so it feels very much like this energy is like someone who's like overthinks over almost to the point that it leads to exhaustion. Okay, leads to exhaustion. I thought you didn't want something long. Look at this. I thought you didn't want something long term. It was pure projection on my side. So it feels very much like this person has talked themselves out of this situation, of this connection, okay, with you, instead of let me, like, so basically taking it for granted, not seeing it as like, wow, this is an opportunity here for me to grow with this person, get to know this person. It's like they took the connection as something that they felt like, oh, maybe I'm not the best person, maybe I've got a lot more to do, maybe it feels very much like that. Now, I don't know if anybody's watched Pop the Balloon recently. Big up to Arlette and Mooley and her husband, BM, okay, Media. They are doing really good things with the Pop the Balloon series, and I've watched a couple of them, and I've seen like some contestants who will like burst their balloon and then say something like, I don't think I'm the right person for you. I do this, I do that, and yeah, I don't think you would like that. I don't think, I don't think I would be the best fit for you. But the person who is approaching them is showing interest. They are showing interest. They are showing that they want to get to know them. And then they do everything to sabotage their opportunity, to sabotage their chance of getting to know this person. And it feels like this is what's been happening here, collective, okay, with this person. This person has been projecting their own energy of self-doubt, the anxious energy of thinking, oh, maybe you might not be interested in me. Maybe I'm overthinking this. Maybe you don't. It feels like there's a strong energy of self-sabotage, and this person's like recognizing, I have a pattern of doing this. I need to go and seek advice, seek guidance, seek counsel on how I can improve and develop my self-esteem, my confidence. Okay, this is what's really coming through. Now, the Hierophant also represents a strong Taurus energy, so think of, or the Earth energy, so think of Taurus, Virgo, and the Capricorn energy, okay? And we have social media makes this complicated, as this is all I have right now to connect. So perhaps you and this person may have, again, we do have that energy of limited forms of contact. So perhaps this could be a way, could be kind of impacting this person right now, having limited forms of contact with you, but it feels like they want more, or they want to find ways of broadening this. Now, again, always trust your intuition and use your discernment, okay? If this person has shown some type of ways and you're thinking, I don't like that, trust it. Trust and believe, okay? Is what we like to say around here. Trust and believe. but there is a strong energy of reconciliation. There could have also been, maybe what's coming through is like an intercultural, perhaps you and this person come from different backgrounds, different walks of life, but you may have had some hobbies and interests, and they may reminisce from time to time. Perhaps they may have had more than one option, and it feels like there could have been regrets of not choosing you. Okay, perhaps you may have felt with this person like their reasoning of why they haven't shown much engagement was very wishy-washy, and you intuitively sense that with this person, but it feels very much like this person is doing a lot of social media activity when it comes to you. Okay, now we've got some advice messages here. Okay, so advice messages before we close this read, but we have: I want to hear your perspective and values so we can understand each other better. Okay, earlier we had I want our interactions. Okay, and it's interesting how just noticing how the card just flopped and turned over to the Wheel of Fortune. Intuitively tells me this person wants a new opportunity, because the Hierophant, as we said earlier, represents the energy of guidance, represents the energy of counsel, represents the energy of institution, and this person is hoping that their energy of working on themselves opens the door to the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, thinking of that needle, that arrow pointing to new opportunity with Jane, new opportunity with John. Okay, I want our interactions to be authentic, where we can be ourselves. I want to hear your perspective and values so we can understand each other better. I make time for self-reflection to understand my emotions better. So taking time for reflection, this is something that we should all do, but it feels very much like this person wants to sit back, look again, evaluate what's important in life. Okay, and what they're valuing, is it working towards what they want? We can see with the Hierophant, this person does desire commitment and a long-term relationship, but it's now making this person realize the way I went about proceeding for a long-term and committed relationship, was I on that right path for success? Okay, I commit to continuous growth, both personally and in any future relationship. So this person is kind of like making an oath to themselves, like it's like an energy of determination that this is what I want. This could also be the energy that you are currently in right now, but it feels very much like this person wants this energy, wants to connect, wants the deeper relationship with you. Now I've noticed we haven't had our intuitive tea sip moment, so we're gonna pull a card from the soulmate deck. But before we do, let's take a nice sip. I'm sipping on some raspberry tea. Let us know what you are sipping on. Put it in the comments. Sip, 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 baby. Okay. We've got to stay sipping because it's really a great way to stay hydrated and connect with those intuitive downloads, okay? So, as well, we're using all of the energy, water by sipping, okay, or drinking. We're using our thought process, okay, our intuitive energy, okay, as well as our energy with groundedness, holding the cards and everything. So we are bringing all of those elements together, okay, in this read, okay. So let's have a look. Confessions, okay, blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. What wants to come through? Reveal the messages the collective need to see. Ooh, any more? Yeah. Ooh. Last shuffle. Thank you. Okay. So we have quite a few here. We have mission. Together we are an unstoppable force. We have a purpose together, and I'm determined to live it out with you. We are just perfect together. We can overcome any obstacles if we work as a team. So if we work as a team, you are mine. There is no one else in the world who could ever replace you. We were made to be together. We are destined, and I am yours, and you are mine only. We have done this before, and we will do it again. Now, look at the energy. Oi, 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 oi. Do you see the energy of marriage here? Do you see the energy of wedding? Okay, bells. Okay, what's coming through is the visualization of Cinderella. The last scene of Cinderella when she's marries the Prince Charming. This is what it's bringing, this energy to me. I can't remember if he does lift her up, but this is what's coming through, okay? Because we have the Hierophant, in the Hierophant, which we said earlier, it represents the energy of an institution, whether a religious institution, educational institution. But as we are exploring love institution, marriage, okay? The energy of marriage. So this person hopes that the connection with you, okay? Now, if this is someone like maybe who wants to repatch things, repair things, work on things, or be serious, or someone, or even whether it's a new love interest that has the intent for marriage, they want this with you, okay? They want to be in a relationship. Ooh, wee! They want to be in a relationship that leads to marriage and long-term commitment. Okay. Ooh, we have the energy of afraid. We see that with the 10 of Swords energy. Okay. I'm afraid to let you down once you get to know me. And again, this could be this 3 of Cups energy as well. Okay. I don't want to disappoint you, so I am avoiding you. I have to overcome this and myself as you see me before coming forward ready. Okay, as you see me before coming forward ready. Okay, that bit don't really make much sense, but it goes back to what we were saying earlier about this energy of this person knowing that they want to be best for themselves so that they can also be best for you. Okay, so get out that wobbly energy, get out that anxious energy, get out that afraid energy, and not sabotage themselves. Okay, we have expectation. So I want to be all that you want me to be. I don't want to disappoint you. I know you have a lot of expectations from me, and I'm trying to stand for that. But at times I feel so far away from that. And I'm afraid to let you down or disappoint you. So again, there's a strong energy of I'm afraid. Perhaps this person may have tattoos. Okay. They may have tattoos. We have let go of fear. I have no fear of making mistakes. Nothing you do or say will ever make me stop loving you. Look at this collective. There are no mistakes on this journey, only soul lessons. Everything happens for a reason, and it is safe to be vulnerable with me. So this is what this person wants. They want this kind of energy of growth, this energy of healing amongst the two of you. Again, we keep getting that, the two of you. The two of you, okay? What's coming? Another song's coming through. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. If you know the song, put it in the comments down below. And big up to all of our intuitive tea sippers who have been contributing, telling us all the songs. And big up to all of the empresses out there. Big up yourselves. You know who you are. Hey, big up every time. We have forgive. I hope you will forgive me for all the things I have done and all the pain which I have caused you. But believe me, my love, that was, but believe me, my love, that was not my, but believe me, my love, that was not my intention. I know I have hurt you pretty badly with my words and actions, but I'm really, truly sorry, my love. So there's an energy of someone who's sorry. So again, we always say trust your intuition and use your discernment. Okay, like if this is someone from the past or, you know, or even current, and it's like, I'm going to respect my boundaries. This is who I am. This is what I need. This is what I desire. And I can only go with where my boundaries are respected, where I am safe, where, you know, even with the energy of like being vulnerable and open, but I'm in an emotionally safe space with myself. Okay, and that also mirrors to the person that I seek, that this is something that is welcome, that is celebrated. Okay, so take the messages where it resonates as we explore the exact thoughts and feelings for you on this Blunt AF series. Okay, thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for jamming with me. Okay, and if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Okay, it really helps the channel to find more intuitive tea sippers like you. So big up yourselves every time. And if you feel drawn to have a look at pile 2 or pile 3, feel free to do so. But be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, and we'll see you on the next one. Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile 2 and we're exploring Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. So if you are new here, big up yourselves, and to our intuitive tea sippers, generals. Big up, big up. Big up yourselves every time. Now get nice and comfy with a cup of tea or beverage of your choice, or something to just keep on sipping. Sip, baby. Hey. So we're going to explore these intuitive gems that want to come through together on their exact thoughts and feelings, Blunt AF, right now for you. So let us know where you are watching, okay, from around the world. What are you sipping on? Love to engage with you all. And if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Okay, big up yourselves. And now let's see Wagwan for pile 2. Okay, Wagwan simply means in Jamaican patois, what is going on, and that's what we are doing today. All right. So we are going to start with the tarot. But we'll keep this in mind. This is the message that's come through. I really feel for you. And I wonder if you sense it. Now, this is telling us, with it falling on pile 2, 2 represents the energy of intuition. It represents the energy of the High Priestess in the tarot, which is all about intuition, trusting yourself, connecting with your feelings, connecting with your senses. Think of your 5 senses and your 6th sense being your intuition. Okay, your ability to smell, your ability to hear, your ability to taste, your ability to touch, okay, to feel, to connect. Your 6th sense being your intuition. You sensing something, you feeling an urge, whether it's through music, whether it's through words, whether it is through signs, synchronicities, okay, connecting with that sense that you can sense this energy too. And this is what this person, it feels like this person or your energy is rubbing off on this person, and this person is feeling you. Ooh, we're getting a lot of wobbly energy here. We're getting a lot of wobbly energy. Okay, a lot of wobbly energy. We're going to keep that in. A lot of wobbly energy. Okay, but it feels very much like Yes, there is like it feels what came through actually, it was like it felt like a tickling sensation on my feet. So, so I was like, "Ooh, what is that?" But it feels very much like this is how this person feels when they think of you. It's like their sensations are heightened when they're around you, when you're close by, or even from a distance. This person senses your energy, and it does feel tickly. It feels like it sends this person like ooh, like keeping it clean and classy. It feels like it sends this person. It makes this person feel some type of way. Ooh la la. Now perhaps this person could have something to do with the feet. Okay, perhaps it could be something to do with feet, or this person has maybe admired your feet. Or okay. Ooh la la. Okay, we go to the tarot. Okay. Hey. So we got the Eight of Cups. The Eight of Cups represents the energy of something like moving away, walking away. Okay. The song that's coming to mind that kind of embodies the energy of the Eight of Cups, okay, is Walk Away from Love, okay, by David Ruffin, okay. And I love the cover by the reggae artist Bitty McLean. Gonna walk away from love. Okay, it's the energy of feeling like I've invested all this time and energy, and I want to move away from it because maybe I'm realizing it's not serving me. When I thought, and it's also this kind of embodies this energy of like I've put all my eggs in this basket and I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing any gain from this, or it doesn't feel like anything is growing. It feels like this could be someone coming from a past connection that was like this. Perhaps they've shared this. Perhaps this could have been the experience that for some of you may have experienced as well. And there's this desire to like you knowing that you have the passion. Look at all that red. You have that passion. So whether you leave these Eight of Cups aside, you will go and find your Ten of Cups. If that Eight of Cups is not serving, you're gonna be moving and progressing towards that Ten of Cups. And it's almost like taking that decision to go, you know what, maybe this connection is not the connection that will lead me to that Ten of Cups. Maybe this connection needs some time apart where we can then work on ourselves, recollect what we truly want, what we truly desire, and what we truly need. But more importantly, do our needs mirror our wants? Oi, 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 oi. Now, if you are new here and you hear that sound, it's just a way of how I connect with those intuitive downloads that come through. Woyoi is essentially a Jamaican term, okay, that can be used to show excitement, irony. It can be used in different contexts, just like oh my gosh can be used in different contexts. It's basically the equivalent to woyoi, okay? But I like to do it in a singy way. So from time to time, when I get those intuitive downloads, it's kind of my way of saying, giving thanks. Okay, giving thanks. So with that Eight of Cups energy being here, and we see that moon energy, it feels like there is a lot of intuitive energy connecting with that heart chakra being present here. Okay, we have the Two of Wands next to it. Now the Two of Wands next to the Eight of Cups, if you see there's like a movement energy, distance energy here. The Two of Wands represents the energy of someone wanting to make contact, someone wanting to reach out, someone wanting to call your name and hope that you will hear them. Someone who wants to send you a text, make that call. This is the energy. So somebody is walking away from something and perhaps wanting to make that shift in taking action towards you. Again, the ones do represent that energy of action, okay? Taking that energy, taking that passion and doing something with it. Now we see water signs with the Eight of Cups. So a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and we have the fire energy with the wands. Okay, so think of a Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries. So it could be anyone, but these are the energies so far that we see. Okay, we still have to see what's behind the other cards, but it feels very much like there's an energy of connecting with their true wants, their true needs. Okay, sometimes we can, and this is a message for us all collective, sometimes we can get so focused on our wants that our wants do not always mirror what we truly need in a connection, what we truly need in a fruitful and abundant relationship. And it feels very much like this person may have gone through this process of, with the Eight of Cups, really recognizing what it is that they truly want. What do they truly want in you? Or in their person. Okay, perhaps you may have also gone through this period of like, does this connection serve me in terms of growth, healing, abundance, prosperity? Are we on the same page when it comes to the direction of this connection, where we want this connection to go, where this we want this connection to lead? Okay, because we have the Page of Pentacles. Now, the Page of Pentacles being here right next to that Two of Wands is telling us someone wants to take on an apprentice role. Okay, if anyone has watched Apprentice, please put Apprentice in the comments down below. Apprentice of Love. Okay, we're gonna just type in Apprentice of Love, but it's giving this energy that someone wants to take that time to learn, to become an knowledgeable and like an expert in their field, of taking time to get to know you. It feels like this person is seeing that this energy of getting to know you is a true investment, because it's going to lead to those rewards of long-term commitment, relationship, them being able to intuitively connect with you and how you feel, your wants, your needs. But also they want to mirror that, and they want that energy to be mirrored, so it's like a me to you, a you to me. We support one another. There's a strong energy of emotional intimacy that this person truly desires, this energy of emotional intimacy. Now it feels like there's an energy of sensations. We're going to keep it clean and classy. There's an energy of using ice cubes. Oh, I'm not sure if someone is into ice cubes against the skin, but this is what's coming through for the collective. It feels very much this tingly sensation, just like the tingly sensation we had earlier of the feet. Okay. Ooh la la. But it feels very much like someone wants to connect with you. Someone wants to get into this energy and feel those vibrant sensations. Again, we're keeping it clean and classy. We leave you to do the pondering and the wondering. We have some vivid images coming through, okay? Ooh la la. But look what we have here. We have the Knight of Cups. Now, the Knight of Cups embodies, again, the energy of being romantic, whining and dining you, okay? Ooh, we wanting to like express their love, okay, and not feeling no way. And it feels like there's also this air of like, confidence of like, nah, I want to take you out, Jane. How do you feel about that? Um, I'm gonna put the ball in your court. Take my number, and reach out to me. And if you don't, then you don't. But if you do, I would love to get to know you. Let's sit back and eat some food and feel good and just get to know one another. We just take it slow, no rush. My intention is for a long-term relationship. My intention is to get to know you, so there's no rush, because I want to take my time to get to know you properly, and you get to know me properly, and you see if I'm a great fit. But I'm going to be honest with you, that's my intention. This is what is kind of coming through. Okay. Now, again, it could be more than one person coming through in this read. Okay. So we still have the other cards to explore. But it does feel like there's somebody who wants to romance you. Someone who wants to wine and dine you. But it feels like they also are looking for not so much a physical, okay, but an intuitive connection. It feels like this person is very much like they want someone that can feel them even when they are miles away. You can feel them, you can sense their energy, you can connect with their energy. It feels like this person says, I want to, again, we're going to keep it clean and classy, but there's a strong energy of being emotional intimacy is very important to this person. It feels like this person is saying that even if we are working, or where there could be an energy of long distance relationship between or connection with you and this person, it feels like this person is saying that I want to be in a connection where I can just sense you and feel you, and that's enough to turn me on, to get me all fired up, to get me all worked up. Ooh la la, we keep it clean and classy, but it's very much like this person is wants to get to know you on a deeper level, but on a, it's almost like it's like a deeper intuitive level. Okay. Ooh la la. So let's have a look now at their exact thoughts and feelings deck. So we have, I really feel for you and I wonder if you can sense it. And this is what's been coming through, and we see it as well in the tarot cards. Now we have, so far we have water signs with the Eight of Cups and the Knight of Cups. So it could be a water sign. We also have the earth signs. Okay, so let's start with the water signs first. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Earth signs, Taurus, Pisces. Sorry, scratch that. Rewind. Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo. And fire signs, we have Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries. Now, we're going to take a moment to have a sip, because I can feel my mouth getting kind of dry, and it feels very much like those messages that want to come through saying, yeah, you need to hydrate, girl. You gotta hydrate. You better hydrate if you want those intuitive downloads. But it feels very much like this could have also, there could have also been for somebody like a dry mouth or like a dry throat. We're going to keep it clean and classy. Leave you to do the pondering and wondering. But it could also be something to do with talking. It could also be something to do with almost like like maybe that you could be talking for hours to the point it's like, right, let's go and get a drink. It feels very much like there's a conversation like that. Okay, I'm sipping on raspberry tea. Let us know what you are sipping on. Put it in the comments down below. Okay, so look at what we have here. I sit back and reflect on the things you said. So there could have been long periods of talking or conversation with this person, and realize you saw things in me that I didn't see, but I see now. Trust is hard for me, but it's something I am working on. So it's something I am working on. Self-care is a priority for me. And this could be, again, part of their needs, okay? I want us to talk about the future. I hope you can see us together in the future. So they really hope that you can see them in the future together. Now we have some advice messages. But before we look at the advice messages, we're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb, which is essentially little kind of like pocket, small pockets of wisdom. Okay, so let's have a look and see what wants to come through for pile 2. The exact thoughts and feelings. Okay. Oh, we got 2. So we have the bucket. The bucket will well with water one day, and when it does, the bottom of the bucket will drop out. It must drop out. This is the energy of overwhelming feelings, the feelings of being overwhelmed, things like coming to the point where what's coming through is like an explosion. Let's say like a combustion of feelings. Okay, it's like an energy of like, woo, of feelings coming through. Okay, so feeling overwhelmed, the energy of the need to look after yourself, self-love. Now this could be something to do with the need of like back to the needs, like someone desires these needs to be in a connection where their boundaries are respected, their boundaries are valued, but also that it's like a shared attribute between both parties, that you can both come together and be an apprentice with one another, getting to know one another on a deeper level. Okay, again, that me to you, you to me, getting to know one another, learning about one another, learning about your needs and the wants, but also prioritizing what is needed in this connection. Ooh la la. We have again, this came out in pile one, this energy of don't take things for granted. The Jamaican proverb, the cow does not know the use of its tail until it is cut off. The cow not know the use of its tail until it cut off. The cow does not know the use of its tail until it is cut off. This is the energy of like reflecting on what has been, what's left, what has gone. Look at this energy of the Eight of Cups. Okay, don't take things for granted. Not taking things for granted. Appreciate what you have. We also have the keyword Hopono, which is the energy of gratitude. It's a Hawaiian prayer with the words I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you. And the I there, it's repeated over and over again to bring in that gratitude energy from the universe and to really kind of capitalize on that energy. Okay, the energy of gratitude and how that can manifest many wonders, okay, in one's life. Okay, but again, this energy of feeling like, yeah, and it could be maybe past experiences. They had this feeling of overwhelm, this feeling of like, no, yeah, I need to focus on what I need and what is needed in a connection where I can flourish, I can prosper, I can grow, but also I can prosper and grow with my partner. We both can prosper and grow together. So it's very much giving this energy of wanting and needing, the desire to be in a high vibrational connection, a connection where it's flourishing, a connection where it's blossoming. Think of flowers, think of like a flower blossoming, that seeds, okay, it starts as a seed and it's nurtured, it's cared for, okay, it's words of affirmation are given to this beautiful seed till it blossoms into a beautiful flower and it continues to blossom and bear fruit. Now the fruit energy feels like it's telling us that there is an energy of desire to bear fruit, as in children, as in maybe pets, as in the energy of property, the energy of like it feels like there's an energy of the the evidence of how the connection flourishes is will be seen through things or items, and that will show the progress of this connection, whether it's like um the two parties coming together, working on one another, getting to know one another, enjoying quality times with one another, building those energies together, okay, working together, holding hands together, talking together, okay. This is what's really coming through the good times, the bad times, okay, but how we can come together even through the bad times and really focus and on what's important. Again, wanting you to sense what's important. This person, it feels like there's an energy of this person really wants this energy, but also for you to feel that energy as well. Okay? Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Collective, this energy, this read is quite straightforward. This person is really wanting to be in a connection. Now, again, this could be a crush, a current love interest, okay? It could be someone from the past, or it could be someone who has come from a past where they've had experiences where they've had to move away from those experiences because they it came to that kind of conclusion that their needs were not being met in this connection and having to move and focus on themselves. Now, the word celibate is coming through. Perhaps someone has taken some time to just focus on themselves, maybe not date for a while, to really connect, do some healing, okay? Because we see that apprentice energy really taking time to be apprentice in their own life, in their love life, so that they can then flourish to be a knight of cups and express that love and feel confident in expressing themselves in and being emotionally available. Now, okay, that is the key word here, being emotional available. Being emotionally available is something that we are always striving to, really connecting to that heart chakra so you can be open to give and to receive love, okay, to give and receive love. And it feels very much like this person is recognizing that in the past there has been moments where they have closed themselves, not allowing anything in. Even if they have shut out the bad, they've also shut out the good in the process. And it feels very much like this person is recognizing love is my need. Love is something that I need. And I need to be open. I need to be ready. I need to be steady to allow it to flow into my vibration, into my frequency. And to do that, I have to be open. I have to be ready. I have to. Woo! Collective, we're having a lot of wobbly, a lot of wobbly moments. Okay, let's get back on track. Okay, moments, they have to be ready. Okay? Okay, we're gonna keep these little bloopers in, but it feels very much like, wow, like somebody's waking up and like, ah, you know, like it's like, yeah, I have to do it, take action, to the point that it's like they could, maybe this person could be like bumping into things, I don't know, but it just felt very much like my head just bumping into the camera. I was like, wow, this never happens before. So let's have a look at some messages from the Confessions of a Soulmate. Okay, their exact thoughts and feelings, blunt AF, for you right now. Let's have a look. Ooh, any more for pile 2? Pile 2. Last shuffle. Oh, this wants to come through again. So, as well, let's have a look. So we have protected. I will always protect you, my love. Look what we see. Look at what we see. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? We see a flower. Care for that flower. Nurture that flower. There's a song coming through by the reggae singer Barrington Levy. Okay, or Barrington Levy. Levy, Barrington. Okay. And the song is Black Roses in My Garden. Okay, black roses in my garden. And the song is all about, you got to, you have to, when you have a flower, you have to water it, you have to nurture it, you have to take care of it. And again, this is the energy. You got to take care of that flower. The flower is your heart. Allow it to grow, allow it to heal, allow it to receive those nutrients that it so needs. Again, going back to that word, the need. I will always protect you, my love, even if we are apart together, even if we're together or not at this time. My higher self is always with you, and I will always protect you and the love we share. I will keep boundaries around my heart that only you can cross that. So only you can cross that. So it feels like, again, someone wants to set up boundaries, where boundaries of like what they want, what they need, but only allowing. But again, it's about really being open, really be open, and that in itself is a journey, collective, because it's about examining the past, but also examining the past to help us to learn how we can then not repeat those same mistakes, not fall into this energy of self-sabotage, where we then say, for instance, let's say a love interest comes your way, and it's almost like talking yourself out of this love interest, telling them that you are taken, when it's like, girl, boy, you've been single for a while. Why are you saying that? Why are you doing that? You know, allowing yourself to be open and express yourself, okay? Again, that Knight of Cups, okay? Feeling confident to come forward. Even the horse is like, yeah, come on, you got make a move, make a move, make a move. Look at that kind of, look at the wings on the King of Cups, on the King of Cups armor, like head armor. That's almost like represents the energy of like Cupid, okay? Ooh la la. And it's a place on the crown. So it's like their mind is ready for love. Okay? Their whole body. And it's on their feet as well. They're ready for love. They're ready to connect. They're ready to really show that love. Healing. I'm healing pain from my past. I'm working on letting it go so I can be free to fully love you. Your love gives me hope as I am healing my past and childhood trauma. So there could be some childhood trauma. Again, there could be some past energies of how love was given, how love was received. Okay, and working on those things to let go and heal them. Do have a look at pile 1 as well, collective, if you are here, because there could be some messages, okay, that may resonate as well. I just want you to send me love and healing energy. So if you look at this energy of this back and forth, okay, look at that. We have time apart. We do see that a lot of distance energy as well in the read with the 8 of Cups and the 2 of Wands. This time apart is giving both of us an opportunity to work on ourselves and be the best version. I need to retreat a bit until I get over what is bothering me. I don't want you to see me like this. I'm protecting you from my dark shadow side. Now, what also came through with holding this card, there could also be an energy of like mental health or some health issues, or really trying to go through there again, if there is some childhood trauma or like inner child, okay, energy here as well. Someone's really trying to work on their issues, okay. Intensity, we do see that fire, passionate energy, and the Knight of Cups. My feelings for you are overwhelmed, and look at this, almost represents like a wheel, okay, like a roulette. It's like that risk of, should I put my interest here? Okay, my feelings for you overwhelm me sometimes, so please reassure me by taking things slowly and patiently. This will help me to feel comfortable with the changes that are happening. Ooh la la. We have strive. I have grown up since our last encounter. I have been working on myself to be better a better person, from who you can feel proud of. So it does feel like it could be somebody that wants you to see them in a good light, wants you to see them in a good light. And again, even if you may decide, you know what, we might be better off at friends, or let's see how things go, or things like that. It feels very much like this person still wants to have this connection with you, even if it's just like maybe you can see like that they are making that progress. We do see that energy of the apprentice, that this person does want to make things work, whether taking small steps with the page of pentacles, embodying that energy of making progress, taking the energy of the apprentice, but really capitalizing on taking that time to learn. Okay. Ooh la la. Now, let's have a look at messages in regards to advice or what you need to hear right now. We've got the messages from the accountability deck. So if we reconnect, I want to create a supportive environment for both of us. Okay, important in a supportive environment. I reflect positively on the lessons learned from our relationship. So there's a strong energy of looking back, reflecting, recognizing, the importance of the connection, healing, okay, not taking things for granted, as we saw in the Jamaican proverbs, and this energy of, with the Jamaican proverb, we'll say it in the Jamaican way, the bucket a well, the bucket a well with water. One day, okay, one day the bottom of the bucket must drop out. So the bucket are well with water. One day, the bottom of the bucket must drop out. This is the energy, okay, of like things coming to like the head of something, that it's like it has to give. Again, thinking back to that heart chakra, okay, the heart chakra may have experienced some pain, but it has now no choice but to release and let go of that pain, because it has come to at the very top that it's like no more, I've got to let go. And yes, I may still be having feelings with the moon energy being here present in the Eight of Cups, but I've got to accept and I've got to let go. Okay? I commit to taking responsibility for my future actions, ensuring they align with my values. Align with my values. So there's an energy of accountability, looking back, learning, and healing. Okay? So, last but not least, we're going to leave you with one more message from the storyboard. Yes, we have. Look at this. Look at that. This is like an energy of repairing, okay, with the needle and the thread, okay, sitting back, learning, and letting things blossom, heal, repair, okay, healing and repair, okay. What a beautiful way to end this read, okay, and hoping that you can connect and feel this energy too, okay. So, we're going to take the messages where it resonate and leave the rest. Asoitga. Asoitga is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes. Okay, this is how it goes. But this is how it goes around here. We take what resonates and we leave the rest. But be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. By liking this video, it's a great way and a free way to help us at Gwan Tarot and Tea grow this beautiful community of intuitive tea sippers, okay? And to find more intuitive tea sippers like you. So big up yourselves every time. Much love and blessings from your favorite Jamaican auntie, Auntie T. Big up and Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we're on pile 3 and we're exploring blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. So, ooh, we are on. We see that 3. Okay, just gonna get the 3. Okay, we may see energies of number 3 in the read from time to time. Okay, and if you are new here, big up, big up, big up yourselves every time. And to our intuitive tea sippers in the building, in the house. Okay, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. Big up, intuitive tea sippers. Much love and blessings to you all from your Jamaican auntie, and hope for the new subscribers or new viewers, it'll be the the Jamaican, your favorite Jamaican auntie. So big up, big up, big up, big up every time. Now I'm currently feeling a lot of itchy sensation. Perhaps we might see that, okay? And it was like just itching my um like my forehead, and I was like, oh, you're always on my mind. Perhaps this is what could be really coming through right now in today's read, okay? But sit back, get nice and comfortable as we explore these juicy intuitive gems at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Wagwan simply means what is going on, and that's what we are doing today. That's what we're doing today. So get nice and comfy, and let us know where you are watching from around the world. Put it in the comments down below. Okay, we channel through song, we channel through numbers, messages, signs, synchronicities, Jamaican proverbs. We do all that. Okay, we just like to, just add a little flavor, a little bit of seasoning, okay, into the reads from, now and then. So, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in, okay? So, okay, enough with the rambling. Let's get straight on with the read and see Wagwan. Now, Wagwan simply means in Jamaican patois what is going on, and that's what we are doing today. And we've got to add one more thing, just one more. If you hear from time to time, oi, 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 okay, it's just the way how I connect with those intuitive gems, okay? Woyoi is a Jamaican term, and it can be used in different contexts. Whether it's like something's ironic, something's funny, okay. But I like to do it in a singy way, okay, like in the way that I like to do it, and it's kind of essentially the equivalent to oh my gosh, okay. So from time to time you may hear it, and also we may have well, not we may have, we will have a collective moments where we come together and we sip. We sip, baby, on some juice, some water, or tea, just to hydrate, okay? And gather those intuitive gems. So we're going to start on the tarot. Let's have a look and see what wants to come through on the tarot. Okay. We have the Four of Wands. The Four of Wands. So with the Four of Wands being here, collective, the Four of Wands represents abundance. It represents vibrant, prosperous energy. So somebody here wants this with you. Somebody here wants to have these moments or visualize these moments with you. Okay, perhaps they could live in their minds a lot as well, because we did have this energy about, you are always on my mind. You are always on my mind. And this could be what they are visualizing, what they are wanting, what they are desiring with you. They want to have these moments where you and this person can be together in this light. Now, if you see with the Four of Wands, it also represents 1111. Perhaps you might be seeing a lots of 1111. This is currently being filmed, just past 11:22, okay, or the date, okay. Again, the reads are timeless, but it's currently being filmed on November, okay, or the cusp of November the 22, okay, which is again kind of like a double of that 1111 number, okay. So it feels like perhaps you might be seeing lots of ones or a lot of twos, or you could be just seeing numbers in general. And just take note, if you have a journal, just take note and just notice when you see those numbers and what are you thinking about at that particular time, because it feels like there's going to be a lot of clues there for you as well. Okay, the ones could be representing new beginnings, new opportunities. 11 is a master number. Okay, that also then is a results back to two. So two also represents the energy of like intuition, heightened intuition, clairvoyance as well. Okay, union, connection. Okay, the energy of balance. Okay, so as well as fours. Okay, with the four of wands, the fours representing stability, security. Okay, so you could be seeing a lot of different, if you are seeing those numbers, just take note of them. But it does represent someone wanting a vibrant, prosperous time with you, and it feels very much like this is what they want and desire for the future with you. Okay, because we are exploring their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. We have the Ten of Wands in the reverse position. Now, the Ten of Wands in the reverse position represents the energy of wanting to let go of those overwhelming feelings. Now, these feelings perhaps could be a lot of sexual desires. It could also be like this need to want to connect with you, tell you how they feel, open up, okay? Keep it clean and classy. Yeah, but it could be that this person may want to open up in physically, in the physical, energy. But it feels very much like there's a strong energy of wanting to attract you, wanting to attract you. Now, so far we've seen, okay, fire energy again, with the one's energy being present. So perhaps there could be a fire connection here. Think of the fire signs being Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries. So perhaps there could be a strong fire energy, okay? Perhaps from your side or from this person, okay? That is coming in the read or coming into the... Oi, 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 oi. Hey, what came through is going to keep it clean and classy was that word coming. It feels like that person that's coming into the read could be coming in more ways than one. We're going to leave it there. Let you do the pondering and the wondering. Again, we have a lot of shaking going on, and it feels very much like the wobbling and the shaking which has been present in each pile collective today, that there's this energy of like nerves, pulses racing, feelings heightened. Okay, and it feels very much like why we're seeing this Ten of Wands, like I can't control these feelings anymore, or I need to do something about it. I need to let go. I need to release. So what if you've been wondering, is this person been thinking about you a lot? Yes, they've been thinking about you a lot, but it's also resulted to a lot of sexual feelings as well, trying to contain them, trying to regulate themselves when they are around you or when you are in their presence. Perhaps some of this person could also be someone that you work with or you may see from time to time. It could be even through a friend of a friend, or perhaps you could be like family friends, like friends of the family where you've grown up with one another, but it feels like you may have sensed that this person may have always been attracted to you but has never said anything. It feels like it could be, different scenarios coming through in this read with the Ten of Wands. Okay, we have the Eight of Swords. Now the Eight of Swords represents the energy of Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, so air signs. Now this tells us that with the Eight of Swords being present, that this person from time to time does feel trapped in their thoughts and their feelings for you. It does feel like maybe the with the bandages around this person and that strong vibrant red, that when this person again has those feelings, has those desires, has those wants for you, they try to find ways to contain those feelings. Perhaps again, trying to regulate, trying to distract their minds of you, trying to find different activities, okay, that will help to release. That word release is very strong here. It feels very much like this person does try to find ways of how they can maneuver, and it could also be that they don't want to come across what's coming through is like they don't want to come across weird, they don't want to come across creepy or anything like that, but they do have strong feelings, and sometimes those strong feelings, it's like they may overthink at times, like, oh no, can you see how I'm, like, am I being awkward around you? It feels like awkwardness could be a dead giveaway about this person that's coming through in this read, that they might say things that they feel like it's a joke, or but then it's like it's not a funny joke, but they might be laughing at the joke, okay. So their delivery is not that great. Yeah, it could be. It feels like it could be someone that you work with. It feels like it could also be someone who wants to reconnect, or somebody that you know through a mutual connection. Okay, but we have also the star card being here. So with the star card being here and it falling on pile 3, and what we see is this energy of wanting abundance with you. We see this energy of wanting things to be better, on better terms. So perhaps it could be someone from the past. It could be someone where maybe who wants to have a talk, who wants to talk things out. Hope that you both can be on the same like wavelength when it comes to this connection, whether it's like making peace with this connection or really coming together as an item. That's what's really coming together. But so far we don't see like the strong energy of the cups, okay, suit with which represents the energy of feelings, but what we get is a lot of abundant energy. However, we do get a little bit of a clue if you look carefully with the star card. The star card shows two jugs of water. Okay, now water represents the energy of feelings. This is also the Aquarius energy, the card that's linked to the energy of the Aquarius zodiac sign. Okay, but it's like that energy of like wanting to heal, wanting to reconnect, nourish the mind with the energy of like really connecting with your senses, with your feelings. Now, the cups, as we said, we don't see the cups, but we've got a little inkling as we are in a love reading, exploring their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. Seeing the two jugs of water is kind of telling us that there's an energy of this person who wants to develop a strong relationship, a strong connection, a connection where there is healing taking place, letting go of any fears or anything that could be hindering the connection. They want to heal it. They want to repair things. They want to patch things up. It feels very much like this person wants to take the time to connect with you on a deeper level, but really hope that the two of you can work together and really talk things out. Really talk things out, okay? So it is kind of giving that this person could be a soulmate, okay? It feels like it could also be someone who has a deep love, but they may visualize that love in like abundance energy, like being around you. It feels like it's like I'm walking on gold. This is what's coming through, okay? So let's have a look now at the exact thoughts and feelings for you deck. Let's see what was to come through. Okay, yes. So we have, you are always on my mind. You are always on my mind. I visualize seeing a text from you, but I know I need to make the first move. So again, this could be someone from your recent past. This could be someone who knows like how things have left, and I'm getting like this kind of burp energy in the throat. It's like this person knows that they've got to pick up themselves and really, again, with that 10 of wands in that reverse position and the 10 of swords, we're seeing like two tens here. So again, you might be seeing 10-10. You know, I do have a look at pile 1, but 10 represents the energy of completion. But again, it could be the energy of new beginning. Now, what feels like it could also be telling us with the two tens here, the 10 of wands and the 10 of swords, is that someone wants an ending with how perhaps perhaps it could also be like personalities in like sometimes things can then result into misunderstandings with one another, and really hope that the communication can reopen and it can be in a communication that's engaging and open, but also where both parties can really feel like they are contributing to that communication. I hope that's making sense. But I visualize seeing a text from you, but I know I need to make the first move. Put it in the comments if you care to share. Love to engage with you all, okay? We have my phone is filled with unsent texts meant for you. And always trust your intuition and use your discernment. If something don't feel right, trust and believe, okay? Put trust and believe in the comments down below, okay? I look at your number, meaning to call. So we have a lot of energy. Look at this. It's really giving this energy of should I take action with the 10 of wands and the 10 of swords? Should I make this move? Should I come forward? And it feels like the 10s could also maybe represent those missed opportunities to go and take that action, to go and say how they really feel, to take that strong energy or burp energy or like from their throats and move forward and just say, you know, I need to tell you how I feel, Jane, about you. I need to connect with you. I need you to understand me on a deeper level, for us to sit together and work things out, to heal. Think of the star card, the star energy, wanting to work together and heal our connection, repair our connection so things can prosper. If you look at what's happening here, the energy of transparency, the energy is also like there's an energy of nakedness coming together, being transparent, being open, being real, being authentic. Being authentic is the key word here. We have the silence is a lot for me. The silence is a lot for me. I'm observing you from a distance to suss out if we are a good match. Now, this could be someone from the recent past. It could be someone new, and they could be trying to work out, again, if maybe personalities, your wants, your needs are matching with one another. Again, maybe examining social media, maybe talking to any friends of friends, mutual connections. Perhaps you may have even got, John was asking about you the other day, Jane. You're like, really? Like, what did he ask? Okay. I want to make a move, but I'm scared. We have this energy of this person being scared. And we have, I daydream about us. I daydream about us. So again, it feels very much like this person may live in their head a lot. Okay, the song that's coming through is Temptations, Just My Imagination. It's just my imagination. This person may visualize, this person may want and desire, but they have to make the first move. Or they have to make that move to initiate that progress that they want to see. You know, it's all good that, and it's a message for us all, that we could want to visualize something, we could want to manifest something, but then once we've got that visualization, we also have to take some action to allow the universe to do the rest. And it feels very much like this is where the person is stuck. They're kind of stuck in this energy of, I know I want this, but I've got to now get that courage, okay, to leap forward. Think of the Wizard of the Oz. The Wizard of the Oz the Wizard of the Odds, the Wizard of Oz, okay? The lion seeking that courage, but not realizing the whole time the lion had it right inside them. They just had to remove those bandages that made them feel like they couldn't see they couldn't see their potential. Right, we've got to clear that throat, because we've got, it feels very much collective, like this person that is coming through, they have a lot to say, they care very much, but there's an energy of like, it feels like maybe in the past they've been made to feel some type of way, embarrassed, shamed to express their feelings. It feels like maybe they could have also may have shared their feelings in the past and was kind of let down in some way, or left in a way to feel embarrassed about it. So it's almost like now when it comes to talking about how they truly feel, they hinder from it. But there's an energy again, maybe awkwardness might be a giveaway about this person, or the feeling like they wanted to say more, and you kind of like intuitively sensed it, having your intuitive tea sipper hat on, like you're just like, it feels like you want to say more. It's like you just have this feeling that they want to say more to you, okay, more than that they are saying now. We have, I please myself. Look at this. Look at this. Keep it clean and classy. I please myself when I am alone, thinking of you and calling your name. Ooh la la. Juicy, juicy indeed. We keep it clean and classy. We're going to leave you to do the pondering and the wondering here. We have, this distance is tough on me, but I hope we can get through this. So they really hope that you can get through this. Again, it could be that distance of wanting to come towards you, but it's still building, still preparing themselves to get that confidence, to build themselves to feel like, I want to tell you how I feel, and I hope you believe me. I hope you see that I truly feel for you. And we have, I know I'm confusing right now. I know I am confusing right now. I know I am confusing right now. So what we can see is like this person wants, but then it's like they may come across and act at times. And it is like a self-sabotaging energy. It does also feel like this person's getting in their own way. They know what they want, but they're still getting in their own way. Maybe talking themselves out of it. Maybe not taking the action, like missed opportunities. And perhaps, again, it does feel like they wonder from time to time if you can sense them. Okay, but if you're watching this now, you may already have that intuitive tea sipper hat on, where you can intuitively sense like, yeah, this energy feels, I can sense it. And it could be also like maybe making you feel like maybe this person does want to repair it. Now it does feel like it could be someone in the past. Okay, maybe there could have been something to do with stars and you and this person. Maybe talked about stars, or they may have an interest in like knowing what your star sign, or an interest in astrology, and just an interest in like space, and perhaps they can be quite like nerdy or geeky in particular like subjects as well with the star, like that attention to the star. Now with the nakedness, it feels like that's the energy to be transparent and really express themselves, okay, and not feel any way about it, okay. It feels very much like this person may hide behind layers, okay, as a way to not it's kind of like not revealing their true feelings, okay. Perhaps this person may wear a lot of layers, okay. And what's coming through is like the characters in the science show, the geeky science show. I can't remember the name of it now. There was a spin-off. I can't remember the name of it now, but their garments were always like wearing lots of t-shirts, layered t-shirts, so like long sleeve t-shirts over short t-shirts. I don't know if why that's coming through, but perhaps there could be some significance there. Again, take where it resonates and leave the rest. Okay. We have I am open, ready, and steady to love and be loved by you. This is what they truly desire, and this is what they know that they've got to heal and work on. The song that's coming through is Kiss the Girl from Little Mermaid. Okay, Kiss the Girl. And what I remember, if in the Kiss the Girl, I haven't seen I'm not sure if it's in the new one. But in the original, the energy of seeing like the stars being around and wishing, it feels like this person could have this desire wish and may look to the stars or may look to the sky and call your name. Ooh la la. I learned a lot from our time together. It has changed me for the better. So there is an strong energy of growth here. And with number 3, it can represent the energy of the Empress in the tarot. Think fertile, think growth, think expansion, think things developing, things growing, okay? Now, the song that's also coming through is Garnet Silk, a reggae singer. It's growing, this love inside of me, and it's showing, and I just can't hide it anymore. Jane, I hope we can heal this. It feels very much like this person is like knowing that they can't hide and contain these feelings anymore. They have to say how they truly feel. So let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb and let's see what wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 3. Reveal the messages you need to see. Reveal the... Ooh, it feels like this one wants to keep coming through, We have the cow does not know the use of its tail until it is cut off. The cow does not know the use of its tail. The cow don't know the use of its tail till it cut off. This is the energy. This is the energy of don't take things for granted. Don't take things for granted. Don't miss those opportunities. Okay? And this is where this is energy is like appreciate what you have. Okay? And perhaps this person may have talked themselves out of opportunities. And now it's like there's an energy of like, I want to grow, I want to heal, I want to do better, I want to be a better person for myself. I want you to see me in this light. I want us to grow. There's an energy of like wanting to grow with you, wanting to heal with you, wanting you to see them as a love interest, but also a love interest that knows that they've got some work to do. But it's like, there's an energy of like, don't wait for me because I don't want you waiting for me. But I am going to be doing as much as I can to get myself there. Again, we're getting this wobbly energy. Perhaps this wobbly energy again. Okay, or this whole need of just keep bumping into the things. It's like maybe this person knows that there are some trials, tribulations that they may need to go through, work on things, let go of any habits or anything that's not serving them. Okay, and really come together. It could be also their mindset, like this person has to go through a mindset shift or even could be even like doing a 30-day cleanse where they reconnect with themselves, reconnect with what's important to them, reconnect with what they truly want and need in a connection, really connect with what they truly want and need for their own self-love, for their own growth, for their own expansion in life. This is what's very much coming through. And until that person really comes and sit and really get into that energy of mindfulness and really connect, that's when they can come towards you with a serious and true offer. But they know they have to go through this period of healing to recognize those patterns that have not been serving them. They've got to, as we like to say in Jamaican culture, or let's say Jam English culture, okay, you have to pattern up the ting. You have to pattern up the ting. You have to pattern up the ting. Now, pattern up the ting meaning you're putting things together to make things work, right for you. This person knows this is what they want. They want to work on being that person. They want to be that person for you. But they're also, what's coming through is this energy of like, I'm going to respect your wishes. I'm going to respect you, because again, that is all part of the proof in the pudding that, look, I'm doing the work. I'm taking that time to grow, to heal, so you can see me in that light, and look to the stars. Look to the stars and know that I'm always here for you. That's what's really coming through. Hey, ooh la la. So let's take this moment to have an intuitive tea sip moment, okay? We're going to take an intuitive tea sip moment. I'm sipping on raspberry tea. Let us know what you are sipping on in the comments. Put it down below. Okay, we've got to stay hydrated. It's a great way to connect with those reads. So we've got some accountability messages. Let's see what wants to come through. For the collective, we have, I explain to others how my actions have consequences that extend beyond us. So it could be someone understanding how their actions affected or impacted the connection. Again, maybe not doing enough, not doing very little, and they can look back and see that, yes, you know, I have to accept my role in this. Take accountability. I want to be in a position of growth and healing, and that's the only way I can really step into that energy, by taking accountability. Even when it's like, oh, it feels like it's the energy is saying it feels rough, but I've got to do this. I really got to do this. I value your perspective and want to understand how you feel about our past. So it does feel like someone wants to heal, someone wants to understand, someone wants to take that time to understand how you feel. I envision healthy interactions where we respect each other's growth journeys. So there is a strong energy of growth journey really coming through here. I strive to understand your feelings and experiences during our time together. If we can't be together, I wish for respectful closure so we can both move on. So let's have a look at messages from the Confessions of a Soulmate deck. Let's see what wants to come through for the collective as we explore Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. For you right now. Let's see what wants to come through. Ooh. Any more for pile 3? Messages for pile 3. Messages for... Ooh, okay. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. It feels like that wants to come through. We're going to do it again. Thank you. So we have quite a few here. Again, it could be more than one scenario here. So we're going to read these before we come to a close. Take the messages. Again, there's a lot of shaking here. Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. We have intensity. My feelings for you overwhelm me sometimes, but please reassure me by taking things slowly and patiently. This will help me feel comfortable with the changes that are happening. Okay? So that clock is like maybe giving time. This person knowing that they've got some work to do here. We have need you. Okay, this is kind of giving the energy, the abundant energy of the Four of Wands. It's also giving that Empress energy. There's a lot of vibrant golds and yellows, okay, going on in this image. You are so nurturing, magnetic, passionate queen in my life. Your light shines bright and guide through me in the dark, in my darkness. You feel like home to me, and I always feel very happy and comfortable in your presence. Thank you, my love, for always sending me healing energy and love. I need you and your energy even more now. Now, what's coming through again is that maybe there could be something to do with mental health here as well, or depression and things like that. We have new beginnings. I have realized what I was missing in my life, and that is you. This new love has given me a fresh perspective and changed who I am. There is no going back, only forward. When I met you after that, I never looked back. When I met you after that, I never looked back. I want to have a fresh new start. So again, that reconciliation, look at that connection. Wanting to have that fresh new start. We have here promise. I wish you knew just how special you are to me. It kills me not to be able to tell you. You amaze me with your compassion and kindness. Through this time apart, I promise I will make things right between us. Okay, maybe there could be something to do with like a pet as well. Okay, or like a love, or this person may have a love for for animals. Okay, but it feels like this is how they see you, like very abundant, glowing, okay, magnetic energy. Okay, and we have transparency. So again, if we see that energy with the star card, it's very strong. You see the real me. That's why I can't hide anything from you. You may sense that energy. I struggle sometimes to look you in the eyes. Could be another clue. You see right through. You see right into my soul, and that makes me more vulnerable. Okay. What I just paid attention to was that little bird, and it feels like the bird is saying, "Yep, that's the message. That's the message that you see." You know what always amazes me when you look at the Rider-Waite cards and you always find something else. So as much as like if you're familiar with the tarot, it's like the tarot can always, there's like just from the imagery alone, it's like you always find something else that intuitively gives more meaning to the card. We have here signs. I have been seeing so many signs, as we said, when those signs might be numbers. They could be, you know, things that you sense, feelings, okay? I've been seeing so many signs and synchronicities that reminds me of you. It's made me feel certain that you are the one for me and we have a brighter future. I just have to figure out how to follow them. I'm gaining strength and courage for that. This very much feels like it's also like the star card if you look carefully. Yeah. We have blessed. Again, that vibrant energy of the orange, okay? I am blessed. I am blessed beyond the measure to share such a powerful divine love with you. I am so grateful for you and give thanks to the divine creator. Embrace your beautiful divinity. You are a precious gift in my life. And we have here daydream. I can't get you off my mind all day, every day. I always wonder what you are doing and how you are feeling about me. Meet me in your dreams tonight so we can start making our future together in reality. I want to build a strong, solid foundation for us. So it feels like this is how this person really connects with you. They may connect through dreams. They may connect through like sending telepathic messages. Maybe from time to time you find yourself like thinking about this person out of nowhere. Okay, it feels like that is another clue on who this person could be. It could be sometimes you may sense their energy, feel them. Okay, and we have this energy of wanting. Okay, look at the imagery here, but you know, keep it clean and classy, as we did see that energy really coming through strongly in the read. Okay, so we have we'll just put like here, I can't help but wanting you sexually. Your energy excites me and allures me. I want your touch. I am craving for you. Your body turns me on. I just want you right now. Please come home, baby. So we're gonna leave it there, we're gonna leave it there. I've covered the card, it's a bit too much for YouTube. Okay, or social media, but keep it clean and classy around here. We leave you to do the pondering and wondering. Okay, we're gonna leave you with one more message. Just one more. Okay, let's have a look. We do have a lot of shaking going on though. A lot of shaking. But it could be those loins. Okay, keep it clean. I regret lying to you. There's an energy of I regret lying to you. That lying could be, again, not being transparent, not maybe when you sensed something, not being honest with you at that moment. It could have been about their feelings. It could have been about how they dealt with something. Okay. But there is a regret. There is a strong regret there of I regret lying to you. So take the messages where it resonates and leave the rest, okay? A psycho. But I hope you've enjoyed these reads as much as I have, okay? But be sure to just take what resonates and leave the rest. A psycho. A psycho is Jamaican patois and it simply means this is how it goes, okay? I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go, darling. Hey, this is how it goes, darling. Okay, we just take what resonates. We just take what resonates and leave the rest. Leave it, okay? But be sure to keep sipping. Look good, feel good, stay blessed. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Let us know what you're sipping on. Let us know where you are watching from around the world. We are on our mission on building our community at Gwan, Tarot and Tea. So big up, okay? Big up, big up, big up every time. Much love and blessings from your favorite Jamaican auntie, Auntie T. Big up and Gwan.